Everyone, please watch carefully. Let's put these sweet potato leaves into a pot of boiling water to blanch them. After it's cooked, the whole family will love this special dish. This dish sells for 98 yuan in a restaurant. We can make this at home for just $2. Then, we shouldn't heat it for too long. Blanch it for about 30 seconds, then we take it out. After we take them out, we should quickly rinse them in cold water. Scald the sweet potato leaves with boiling water. This can effectively remove pesticide residues, including insect eggs and various impurities. It's safer and healthier to eat like this. After we rinse the water with cold water, we must make sure to squeeze it clean. Next, we'll take these sweet potato leaves. We'll cut it into smaller pieces. Hey everyone, sweet potato leaves are a great food. We're going to eat sweet potato leaves soon, right? So many people haven't tried it. It is exceptionally nutritious, containing vitamins, minerals, and a large amount of dietary fiber. It's especially good for your health because summer is here. It's so good to just grab a handful from the fields. Then we'll chop it into slightly smaller pieces, and it should be cut to this state. Next, let's bring in 4 little idiots, sisters. When beating eggs, do it like this. Flatten the surface, cough, and then break it. This way, it won't easily fall into the eggshell. If you drop eggshells into the bowl along the edge, they're hard to pick up, and the eggshells themselves are unhealthy. It's not clean. Look at it like this. If you use my method, you won't lose a single egg even after hitting 100. Don't throw away this eggshell. It'll be very useful later. We're making scrambled eggs, guys and girls. Many people don't know what a fishy smell is, but my scrambled eggs always have a fishy smell. What should I do? Look over here. Let's add a few drops of white vinegar. White vinegar can remove fishy smells. You don't need just a vinegar taste. Just add a few drops. Once heated, the vinegar smell will naturally dissipate and there won't be any fishy smell. Then what? Add a few drops of cornstarch slurry. Water starch is a mixture of cornstarch and water or potato starch. This way of frying eggs makes them fluffy, soft, and even more tender. Then let's beat the eggs a little. I've shared all the methods and techniques with everyone except my brother. Brothers and sisters who want to click the little red heart, please click it on the screen. Give me a little red heart so it'll be easier to find me next time you want to eat something but don't know how to cook it. I also wish all the brothers and sisters watching this video a happy and healthy life. May you enjoy yourselves more, get angry less, and have good health. May all go well with you. Thank you so much everyone. Please tap the screen twice to acknowledge receipt of the blessings. Then beat the eggs a little. Pour the beaten egg mixture into the sweet potato leaves and then season it. Seasoning is very simple. When stir frying, half the amount of salt is enough. Don't add too much. Adding a little less pepper is especially good for removing the fishy smell and enhancing the aroma. The key to making it delicious is to grab a handful of shrimp meat. After adding the shrimp, add the chicken bouillon. No MSG or anything else is needed to enhance the flavor. It tastes especially delicious. The dish definitely needs shrimp meat, so once it's well mixed, you can start cooking. Next, heat some oil in the pan, then add the vegetables. After pouring it in, we use a spoon or spatula to push and scoop it. Make sure it heats up evenly. Using rapeseed oil to stir fry makes it especially delicious and visually appealing. Then, the heat shouldn't be too high. Stir fry the vegetables until they're set, then add the egg mixture in the center. We'll spread the vegetables out on both sides. Making this dish into a large pancake makes it safer to eat, ensures more even heating, and looks better too. After the vegetables have set, we'll shake them a bit. My older brothers and sisters are good at flipping the ladle, so let's get this sorted out. What if I don't know how to flip a spoonful? Using a shovel to cut it into pieces before turning it over will have the same effect. Fry the other side until golden brown as well. Okay, brothers and sisters, after you've fried the vegetables until they're golden brown, let's take them out and plate them. Does it look appetizing? If you learn how to make this dish, your brothers and sisters will love it as a side dish with drinks or rice, and most importantly, adults and children alike will love it. It's also very nutritious. And now, let me try a little bit for everyone. Oh, it's a bit hot. It's so delicious and incredibly fresh. Amazing. The sweet potato leaves have such a smooth and tender texture, and the shrimp are so delicious.